Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are staying healthy and safe at home. Today, let us continue our remaining part of the lesson, children, that is owls in the family. Right. Hope you all have watched the previous video, children, and also you all have understood, no, the first part of your lesson. Today, let us continue the remaining part of your lesson, children. So, where had we stopped the lesson, children? We had stopped where uh, he and his grandfather placed the owlets on the mango tree, right? And later, what happened again the next day when they came out, when the boy came out, what had happened, children? The owlets were again in the veranda, right, children? Yes. So let us see now what happens. Open your textbook, children, page number 84. I ran to tell grandfather, and when we came back, we found the mother sitting on the bird bath. She greeted us with a soft ooh. So, children, what happened? A boy ran near the grandfather to tell that the birds have come back again in the veranda. They are sitting. Where they were sitting, children? We found the veranda. So when both of them came back, what had happened, their children? They saw that mother bird was sitting on the bird bath. Bird bath is nothing but a shallow basin, children, which has been used to put water for drinking, birds for birds and all. Understood? Okay. She greeted us with a soft woo. So she just greeted me by making that sound. Understood? Now, there is an unselfish mother for you, said grandfather. So, grandfather, what he said that there is an unselfish mother for you. What do you mean by unselfish, children? Unselfish is nothing but ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್. But what about this unselfish? The bird was unselfish. Understood? Like mothers, said the grandfather. It's obvious. She wants us to keep an eye on them. So it's obvious means yes, obviously mothers will be very unselfish, no, children? In the same manner, in the same sense, even the birds too. Got it? So so what happened, children? She wants us to keep an eye on them. So grandfather what is telling is telling that the bird mother, the owlet's mother wanted grandfather and the boy to keep an eye on baby birds. Understood? Yes. They are probably getting too big for her to manage. So mother owlet was not able to manage. Why? Because the baby birds were getting big. They grew. Got it, children? Yes. So the owlets became regular members of our household and were among the few pets that grandmother took a liking to. So the owlets became regular members of our household, means in their family what happened? The owlets became their members of their family. Got it? And were among the few pets that grandfather took a it's grandmother, children. Liking to means grandfather was having many other pets too in their home. Got it? With that, even these two also became their pet. She objected to all snakes, most monkeys, and some crows. We would had all these pets from time to time. So grandmother, what she used to do? She would object to bring all such pet animals like snakes, monkeys, crows, and all, children. She was not liking it. Understood? But she took quite a fancy to the owlets and frequently fed them spaghetti. So, but what happened, children? Grandmother liked these owlets. So, she was feeding them sometimes. Spaghetti is nothing but, children, it is a type of pasta made in the shape of a long thin strings. Got it? It is like a pasta. Okay, she was feeding pasta for the owlets frequently. Understood. They love to sit and splash in a shallow dish. Means they like to sit in a water. Shallow dish is nothing but, as I told before, children, it is a shallow ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತರ ಇರೋ ಅಗಲ್ವಾದಂತ ವೆಸಲ್ ಡಿಶ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತರ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Inside that it would sit and it would like to splash. What do you mean by splash? Is nothing but, children, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಣಿಯೋದು. You children, if you go for some beaches and all, you play in the water, right children? Like that way, even that owlets like to play in the shallow dish. Okay, they enjoyed it even more if cold water was poured over them from a jug while they were in the bath. So they enjoyed more, even more they enjoyed when they pour cold water inside that dish. Understood? Yes children, let us go for next page. They would get thoroughly wet, jump out and perch on a towel rack, shake themselves and return for a second splash. So they were enjoying like anything. They were jumping inside the dish, children, shallow dish, again coming out, again going inside for a second splash. Like that they were enjoying in the water. Got it? Shake themselves and return for a second splash. Okay, and sometimes a third, even sometimes they were going for third time also and playing in that shallow dish water where it was contained with water. Got it? During the day they dozed on a hat stand. So there was a hat stand in their home. Dozed is nothing but, children, to sleep lightly, nap. We call it as nap, afternoon time. So they were sleeping lightly on that hat stand. After dark, they had the freedom of the house and their nightly occupation was catching beetles. So night time what they were doing, they had full freedom to roam around the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen was for themselves, because what they were doing at the night time, children, their night occupation was to catch the beetles. They were catching the beetles. What do you mean by beetles, children? Beetles is nothing but an insect, type of insects. They were catching that. Understood? The kitchen quarters being a happy hunting ground. So the kitchen was their happy hunting ground, means they were hunting beetles. Hunting andre bete adodu. Okay, so that was a place for them to hunt. I carry in my mind a picture of grandmother in a rocking chair with a contented owlet sprawled across her apron lap. So what the boy is imagining in his mind, children, he is just telling that he has a picture in his mind that grandmother sitting in a rocking chair. What do you mean by rocking chair, children? It is nothing but a chair with a curved base. There will be a curved base, no, which can be gently rocked. Andre ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ರೆ. That type of chair is called as rocking chair. Got it? So with a contented owlet. So he's just imagining in his mind that grandmother sitting in a rocking chair with a contented owlet. Means owlet sitting on her apron lap, sprawled across her apron lap. Sprawled is nothing but, children, to sit with the limbs spread out. Okay, so he was just imagining that the owlet was sprawled across her apron lap. Apron is nothing but, children, the cloth which they wear during cooking and all, they wear, no, that is called as apron, or sitting on a lap. So children, he was just imagining like that, as if the owlet was sitting on a grandmother's lap. Got it? Once on entering a room while she was taking an afternoon nap, I saw one of the owlets had crawled up her pillow till its head and was snuggled under her ear. So what had happened, children? Once when he was about to enter the room, what did he saw there, children? He saw grandmother. She was taking an afternoon nap. Means she was nap is nothing but to sleep slightly. Means she was just having rest in the afternoon time. That time, what he saw an owlet had crawled up her pillow. See, you can see the owlet had crawled up near her pillow, and its head was snuggled under her ear. Snuggled is nothing but, children, an affectionate hug. So it had snuggled under her ear. You can see in the image, children. So it is snuggled under her ear. Both grandmother and Owlet were snoring. Both grandmother and Owlet were snoring. Means snoring is nothing but ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಗೊರಕೆ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. Means they were sleeping nicely. Understood, children? Did you all understood this chapter? Hope you all have understood, children. It was very interesting, right, children? We too also like the birds, no? If we get anywhere, if we get any baby birds, we feel like keeping with us and treating them well, right, children? Yes. So, hope you all have understood till here, children. I want you all to read the lesson once again, and I want you all to prepare for your test, children. Don't forget, I want you to do the test well, as you all did last time. Got it? I want you all to study well and take good marks, children. Hope for the good marks, okay? Yes, children. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.